In this video, you're gonna learn how to play Baby Shark in under 5 minutes. Yes, it's that easy, and all you have to do is follow along and replay the parts that you need, but it's gonna be a little bit of a twist. In this version, you're gonna be playing the shark theme at the beginning, going into Baby Shark. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to play the shark theme. Now the shark theme is super easy. It's 2 notes consisting of and it gets faster and faster. Now, in order to play that, you have to first find where that note is. So what I was playing is the C. To find the C, you find the 2 black notes here and come down on the first one. That's your C. Now we're just gonna go down 2 octaves, so count down 7 twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are now at this lower C where you can play up and down. And then you can play on the different octaves as well. Now, to make it sound even more intense, what you want to do is, instead of playing with just 1 note, we're going to be playing with the octaves. So that means there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, well, 7 counting from here, gap. And you're going to play the same thing, just the 2 notes. Now, to make this a little bit more complete, what you want to do is start slow. And you can also add in your right hand. So that's pretty much for the first part of the shark theme. Now we're going to do a little troll transition as we go into our baby shark. So let's first, again, recap on our shark theme. From here, what we want to do is a glissando, taking our thumb and then putting our nail on the finger and sliding it all the way down. Now, when we're doing this, you can start anywhere on the high end, select what you like, but it's important that when you finish, you end on the C. So again, middle C is over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 C down from middle C. So glissando down to this C over here. Now that you have the shark theme and the glissando transition down, it's time to learn how to play baby shark. Alright, so now for the baby shark part, what we want to do is start in our middle C and learn just the melody. So we're going to go to our number 5, our G, and go 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 7. Okay, so that's the melody. Let's do it again. For this part, ba 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 ba. That's gonna be the rhythm. Ba 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 ba. You can try a few times. Ba 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 ba. Now together. Ba 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 ba. Perfect, super easy. What we're gonna do with our left hand is now play our chords. So let's play it 1 note at a time. Our first chord is going to be the C right over here. So what you're gonna do is, next one is going to be F. Back. So in order for the count, C, let's say is 1. From here, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's gonna be 5th, and the 1 from here. Back, and then just 1 up from that one. So in simple, it's, right? With the melody, it's, now let me show you how to play this in a more interesting way. So instead of playing just the 1 note, what you can do is play 1, 3, 5, okay? And do this back and forth like this. Okay? Another variation which I would use rather instead of 1, 3, 5 is 1, 5, 8. So 1, 5, 8 evenly spread out, and this gives a more even sound distribution on your left hand. So it's going to sound like. So pretty much, you've learned how to play Baby Shark. Of course, if you want to spice it up a little bit, you can add in some chords. Or play in a lower octave. That's pretty much how to play the Baby Shark with the Shark intro. Let's try it with all of it together. There you go. You've learned how to play Baby Shark in just under 5 minutes. Now it's time for you to go and troll the internet. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out this video.